Good morning, my YouTube family. I hope everybody had a great Christmas. We had a good one so far. But yeah, here we are today. We're gonna do some HVAC commercial today. We're gonna be working on some commercial units. We're just gonna do a quick tune-up. You know, the regular maintenance. We do quarterly maintenance on these units. So here we are in the top of a roof, just fixing to get rid of it. We have 6 units to work on today. But yeah, this one here has a cracked heat exchanger, so that one is not working, but the rest of them they're working like it should. So we're gonna be replacing filters and just doing a tune-up, making sure that the belts and all of that is working like it should. So yeah, here we are, man. Nice view right by the highway. Probably a lot of noise for the background, but hey, let's get with it. Let's go get this bread today, man. See ya. Well, here we are on our first unit. We're gonna start off with this carrier. Got my filters ready. I want to put on my jacket, man, because it's not cold, but it's windy. So the temperatures is roughly about 48, 50, I think. Somewhere around those lines, but it's just that wind, man. It just gets, you know, it's just part of it. But so we bundle up, we're ready to go. So we're fixing to get into this unit. So we already cycling the unit. Check my belt. You know, this section right here checks the heat exchanger. This is just a quick tune-up because we check this one's 4 times a year. So this one is pretty much just to make sure everything is working like it should. Panel fell off. But yeah, my burners start burning like it should. Inducer is working. I just heard that fan motor coming on. So I'm gonna just let it run for a little bit and then put the panels back on there. And we should be good on this unit. So one down, we got a few more to go. We are currently working on our second unit. Everything is looking good so far. Our belt is in pretty good shape. I don't see a lot of tear and wear on this one. Probably we changed it not too long ago. But everything looks good. Heat exchanger looks good. Looks in pretty good shape, actually. Now I just waiting to fixing to pull my panels back down here, heat exchanger, put my panel back right here, because if you don't, the amperage go higher on those fan motors. So fixing to put these 2 panels back, control everything from here, and just do the cycle, make sure it goes through it like the way it should. And so we already did 1, 2, 3 units. We did that one, and that one. I wasn't able to record much on that unit right there. It was the unit I was working before I went to lunch, so I was getting hungry. But I did have a little recording this one. I'm gonna try to record more on this one and on this unit. It's my 2 last ones, and then we we should be wrapping things up in here. The sun hide out on us, which making it a little colder, but hey, we're getting it done. You know how it is. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the recording. Here we go. This one fired up right on the spot, like usual. I remember working on this one before. Yeah, everything looks good. And we finally made it to the last one. This is the biggest ones, I think, on size at least. But yeah, we ran through all of those. And bam, to the last one. So when we finish with this one, we're gonna wrap here and move on. But yeah, man, I'm kind of done with this top roof, you know. But yeah, this is coming to an end on this call. So it was a lot of package units today. Well, we are working on our last one. We already cycle. It's on cycle mode right now. We already checked our belts, our heat exchanger. We already replaced our filters. This is our last unit. This is it. We finished. We got about, I think, 5 units in total. So I'm fixing to put the filters in the trash, pick up my tools, and this is a wrap right here. It really don't take a whole, it's not really a whole lot that takes into the commercial industry. Well, working on package units, of course, it can go bigger from here, you know. But really, on this unit, it's everything right here, commercial. It's like everything right here in one location, other than the power, you know, but everything is right here, you know. It's something you need to troubleshoot or anything, you just stay around this area and go from there. But that would do it, guys. This is a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you for your support. Thank you for riding along. I'll see you guys next time. See ya.